In some sad off-season news, we do have the confirmation that Joe Shimoda did have a pretty bad crash earlier this week and has since gone through surgery and is on the path to recovery, I guess you can say, per both his Instagram and the Honda Racing Instagram, saying that he sustained two fractured and displaced vertebrae in his upper back and lower neck. And per the team, he underwent surgery in the Tampa General Hospital on Wednesday and has, which is the good thing here, has full movement and feeling. Now, we do have a couple quotes from him saying, quote, "It's a shame to get injured as I was getting ready for the new season. I've been riding well and we made progress with the bike. I knew when I crashed that something was wrong, but it's fortunate that the spinal cord is okay. Thank you to my doctors for the great care I've received. I feel motivated to start working on my recovery, and I hope it will go quickly as possible." Brandon Wilson, the manager of racing and advertising at American Honda, said, quote, "I'm sorry Joe is having to go through this. He showed last season that he's one of the sport's top 250 riders, and preseason testing was going well. Back injuries are always concerning, so I greatly appreciate how our team members and industry friends networked to ensure Joe was quickly in the care of top-level medical specialists. Everyone at Honda wishes Joe well, and we're totally behind him as he begins working on a full recovery." Now, obviously, this comes, not that this really matters much, but this comes right after the signing of a new contract with Honda, and it sucks. I mean, as far as I read somewhere, I saw something that he could be out 3 months before he's even, riding again. So pretty much this year is a wash. I'm assuming, that means Supercross obviously is done. And the sad thing is for him, there's no real way of like moving up. It's not like, well, I missed my 250 class racing and now I can just race the 450s. I mean, I guess Honda can add a 450 if they really want to, but for him, I mean, obviously the bigger issue at the moment is the injury. Something like this, back, neck injuries, big surgery, like the main point is that it is good that he has full movement and feeling. There's no, paralysis or anything like that. At least it says, knock on some wood there, but I mean, it sucks. I mean, obviously getting injured in general is bad. Getting injured in a practice crash has got to be the absolute worst way for it to happen. It's you're riding for nothing but practice. Some cardio, some timing, whatever they were doing. And this is a dangerous sport. You need a half a second of a problem with the bike, or you hit a rut, or something happens, it bogs, who knows what actually went on, and crashes like this can happen, and it's a major thing, to have fractured and displaced vertebrae. Like you said, it's a good thing that the spinal cord is intact and not hurt. There it is. I'm reading it now. It says the team said Shimoda is expected to make a full recovery, which can take up to 3 months. So where are we? December, January, February, before I'm assuming, even getting back on a bike. That's hopeful. Knock on wood again. It's good to hear that it is, already been through surgery, fixed, has feeling, and if it is just recovery time, getting fully healed from surgery and getting back to, full strength and whatever else needs to be done. It's good and bad. Obviously, like I always say, I want to see the best guys racing all the time because it creates the best show, the best entertainment for everybody involved. And obviously that's not the main point at the moment, but hopefully, he does heal fully. There's no problems. There's no setbacks. There's no lingering issues or whatever. But I guess that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.